Cybersecurity is a growing field with job opportunities expected to grow by 22% over the next decade. This data is by Bureau of Labor Statistics. Moreover, the global cybersecurity market is projected to grow at an annual rate of 14.6% through 2026. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have got an exciting topic to dive in. How to make money in cybersecurity. Whether you are a seasoned cybersecurity professional or just starting out, this video is packed with valuable insights and strategies to help you boost your income in this rapidly growing field. So without further ado, let's get started. And before getting started, if you are an aspiring cybersecurity professional looking for online training and certifications from prestigious universities, and in collaboration with leading experts to enhance your credibility, then search no more. Simplilearn's postgraduate program in cybersecurity from MIT University, in collaboration with EC Council, should be your right choice. This course is designed to accommodate a diverse range of learners. This course requires just a bachelor's degree with a 50% average and no prior programming experience or work history needed. For more details, use the link mentioned in the description box below and pinned comment. And now moving on, the growing demand for cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is more critical than ever, with businesses and individuals alike facing constant threats from cyber attacks. This increased demand for protection means there are countless opportunities to capitalize on the cybersecurity skills. The cybersecurity industry is estimated to be worth over $150 billion globally. That data is by Cybersecurity Ventures. And according to Glassdoor, the average salary for a cybersecurity professional ranges from $60,000 to $120,000 per year in the US. And now moving on to building your cybersecurity skill set. So the first step to making money in cybersecurity is to build a strong skill set. Invest in certifications like CISSP, CEH or CompTIA Security Plus to demonstrate your expertise. Stay updated with the latest trends and technologies to remain competitive. And if you are dreaming of earning prestigious cybersecurity certificates like CISSP, CEH or CompTIA Security Plus, this program is your ticket to success. We offer a cybersecurity expert master's program that is designed to accommodate a diverse range of learners. It requires no prior programming experience or work history. Our program not only equips you with essential cybersecurity skills but also prepares you for the industry's most esteemed certifications, making you an expert in the field. Next, let's explore the various career paths within cybersecurity. You can become a cybersecurity analyst, ethical hacker, penetration tester, cybersecurity consultant, or even work in incident response. Each role offers different earning potentials and there are many other roles also. And now moving to ways to make money in cybersecurity. So first we'll see the first method from where you can make money in cybersecurity. That is freelancing and consulting. Freelancing and consulting are fantastic ways to make money in cybersecurity. You can offer your services to businesses on a project basis, providing penetration testing, vulnerability assessments, or security audits. Freelancers often have flexible schedules and the potential for high hourly rates. And now moving to the next method, that is joining the bug bounty community. This is another exciting option is to join the bug bounty community. Platforms like HackerOne and BugCrowd reward ethical hackers for finding vulnerabilities in websites and applications. Some bug hunters make a substantial income through bug bounties alone. And now moving to the next method, that is the third method, creating and selling security tools. If you are tech savvy or if you have a background in software development, consider developing your cybersecurity tools or application. There is a market for innovative security solutions and you can generate revenue by selling your creations. Moving on to the next method, that is penetration testing. Specialize in penetration testing or ethical hacking services. Companies hire penetration testers to identify vulnerabilities in their systems and networks and then provide recommendations for improvement, or you could freelance for them. Now moving on to the fifth method, that is incident response. Offer incident response services to help organizations recover from cybersecurity incidents. This can include identifying the source of breaches, mitigating damage, and preventing future incidents. So this was about the incident response. Moving on to the next method, that is security auditing. conduct security audits for businesses to evaluate their compliance with industry standards and regulations, provide detailed reports and recommendations for compliance improvements. Moving on to the seventh method, that is cybersecurity research. Engage in cybersecurity research and publish your findings. Some research projects may receive grants or funding, and it can enhance your reputation in the field. Moving on to the eighth method, that is create security blog or YouTube channel. If you are skilled in programming, focus on teaching secure coding practices to developers, or you can also ask companies or the businesses if they want their employees to be upskilled in a particular technology. So many companies are willing to pay for training that helps prevent security vulnerabilities in the software. Sharing your knowledge can also be profitable. Consider starting a cybersecurity blog or YouTube channel. You can monetize through ads and sponsorships. Moving on to the next method, that is traditional jobs. Traditional cybersecurity jobs offer great earning potential. According to recent reports, cybersecurity professionals can earn competitive salaries. So you can also have those roles also. Now moving on to the 10th point or the 10th method, that is networking and building a reputation. Building a strong professional network is crucial in cybersecurity. Attend industry conferences, join online forums, and participate in local cybersecurity meetups. Your reputation and connections can open doors to high-paying opportunities. So there you have it, various ways to make money in cybersecurity. Remember, success in this field requires dedication, continuous learning, and a commitment to ethical practices. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others interested in cybersecurity. And this was all for this tutorial. Hope you guys found it informative and helpful. And if you are an aspiring cybersecurity professional looking for online training and certification from prestigious universities, and in collaboration with leading experts to enhance your credibility, then search no more. We have Simplilearn's Advanced Executive Program in Cybersecurity in collaboration with NPCI and IIIT Bangalore. With this program, you can transfer your career in 6 months, and this is for India-specific region only. This course provides a high engagement learning experience with real-world applications and is designed for individuals who want to start a new, more fulfilling career. And now let's take a minute to hear from our learners who have experienced massive success in their careers by opting out these courses.
Hi, I'm Philip. I'm 61 years old, and last year I upskilled with Simplilearn's postgraduate program in cybersecurity after working 30 years in the IT sector in various different profiles. I'm happy to tell you that I was able to clear and pass my CISSP and CCSP certification exams on the first attempt after taking the course. The course, I must say, was packed with practical examples. It was led by highly skilled and certified instructors. I worked with many companies before as a security analyst and architect on a contract basis, but I needed some stability, which I got with the job I just started with Infosys as a cybersecurity consultant. Happened after I took the course. But first and foremost, I've been a learner. Be a learner first.
And if you like this session, then like, share and subscribe. If you have any questions, then you can drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.